Now, the Building Bridges Initiative Advisory Task Force has concluded its 10-month Citizens Engagement Forum on the 9-point handshake agenda by promising to hand in their final report by October or even earlier.
As our senior game changer in the country's political landscape.
Let us lower the grade to this.
After sitting for more than 10 months, traversing all the 47 counties, which included 17 sittings at the Kenyatta International Convention Center to gather views from citizens with regard to the 9-point handshake agenda, curtains have finally come down for the Building Bridges Advisory Task Force, and the team will now take
our meetings throughout have been captured in the Hansard that you see behind there, and therefore once our report comes out, anybody who wants to verify, cross-check what we shall have come up with in order to ascertain that that was the view of Kenyans shall have an opportunity to do so.
With the Punguza Mizigo Bill already given a nod by IEBC to push for popular initiative constitution amendment, Kenyans will be
that October shall not pass. It could even be earlier.
So will they be presenting recommendations to the two handshake principals, President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga, or will they be presenting a draft bill?
Whatever we shall give shall be in form of a recommendation, not a draft bill.
Apart from one-on-one meetings, the task force says they also received written memoranda from various groups. 22 groups their thoughts regarding the 9-point agenda agreed upon on the Building Bridges initiative. On 9th of August, curtains for the task force have come down. All eyes are now on the team to see what recommendations will they be putting forward. Dan Kanhemba, KTN News.